PSL newcomers Kruger United takes on Kaizer Chiefs in the Betway Premiership opener for the season 2026-2027 season. Will Amakhosi start the season on a high note, or will Kruger United shock Amakhosi? Let us get into it. What's up, football family? Welcome back to Mzansi Total Football, your home for real, unfiltered and tactical South African football analysis. If this is your first time tuning in, smash that subscribe button right now, hit the like button and turn on notification bell so you never miss, right? So you never miss our daily Betway Premiership dives, deep dives. Khosi Nation and PSL supporters, the moment we have all been waiting for is finally here. The 2026-2027 Betway Premiership season kicks off this Saturday, August the 1st at 8 p.m. at Mbombela Stadium. And what a dramatic fixture to open the campaign. Top flight newcomers Kruger United, who won the Motsepe Championship last season, they host the Soweto Giants Kaizer Chiefs in a high-stakes clash at Mbombela Stadium out in Mpumalanga. After lifting the exhibition match cup Toyota Cup and competing in an intensive European pre-season camp in Spain, Fernando da Cruz's rebuilt Amakhosi squad travels to Mpumalanga determined to start with maximum points. But Abram Mangoya's Kruger United have nothing to lose and packed home crowd behind them for their historic top flight premiere. Plus, there's a fascinating subplot with goalkeeper Fakri Ntwari facing his parent club while on loan. So in this video, we break down team news, tactical setups, expected lineups, key 1 versus 1 battles, and our final score prediction. Let us jump right straight into it. Kaizer Chiefs state of play, no more slow starts. Let us start with the visitors, which is Kaizer Chiefs. Amakhosi supporters know all too well that slow starts in August have severely crippled previous league campaigns in modern South African football, but cannot afford to drop points in the opening weeks while rival teams build momentum. So they look to have a repeat of last season where they won their 3 opening matches of the season, which helped them to ensure that they finish third at the end of the season. That's how important it is to start well at the beginning of the season. Squad quality and rebuild balance. Under head coach Fernando da Cruz, Chiefs entered the 2026-27 season with a far more balanced and structurally disciplined squad. Management addressed primary tactical voids early. The defense, Bafana center back Thabo Moloi-Sane brings immediate composure and aerial authority. Midfield, Tanzanian international anchor Adolf Mtasingwa Bitegeko gives them the defensive protection they've lacked for years. In attack, securing Khanyisa Mayo on a permanent deal and also securing Langeli Thepili provides genuine firepower. The pressure factor. Chiefs are expected to dominate this match from the first whistle. However, playing away at the buzzing Mbombela Stadium against a newly promoted sides demands a total focus to avoid a tactical trap. Kruger United, the historic debut. Now let us examine the host Kruger United. Earning promotion to the Betway Premiership is a monumental achievement for the Mpumalanga outfit. Coach Abram Mangoya has built a disciplined, hard-working side that thrives on physical duels and high collective work rate. The Fakri Ntwari subplot, one of the biggest headlines surrounding this fixture is goalkeeper Fikri Ntwari. The Rwandan international joined Kruger United on loan from Kaizer Chiefs ahead of the season. If selected to start, Ntwari will have a massive point to prove against his parent club. There is no greater motivation for a goalkeeper than producing a man of the match performance against the team that loaned you out. The game plan and atmosphere. Kruger United enter Mbombela Stadium with zero pressure. Nobody outside Mpumalanga expects them to beat Kaizer Chiefs on day one. Expect Mangoya's men to set up a compact 4-5-1 or 5-3-2 low block shape, absorb early pressure and target direct counter-attacks behind Chiefs fullbacks. Then the tactical breakdown, high press versus compact low block. Let us dive into the core tactical battle that will determine this game. Breaking down the low block. For Coach Fernando da Cruz, the primary challenge will be breaking down a deep defensive line. If Chiefs pass side to side too slowly in front of Kruger United's mid block, they will play directly into the hands of the home side. Chiefs will need quick combination from their midfielders, overlapping runs from fullbacks, and individual magic from players like Fudo Vilakazi and Langlehle Pili to stretch the pitch. Midfield transition control. With Adolf Mtasingwa anchoring the midfield, Chiefs must lock down defensive transitions the moment they lose the ball. Preventing Kruger United from launching direct clearances into attacking channels will allow Chiefs to sustain continuous pressure inside the host half. Now, let us get into the predictions. Who do you think is likely to emerge victorious in this match? My own final prediction is that Kruger United will be 0 and Kaizer Chiefs will be 2. I expect the likes of Fundo Vilakazi, Igodaro, or even Silva and Pili to get on the screen sheet, rather on the score sheet, as Amakosi secure 3 vital opening points on the road. That is my full preview for Kruger United versus Kaizer Chiefs in the 2026-2027 Betway Premiership opening round. Now, Khosi Nation and football fans, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What is your score prediction for Saturday night at Mbombela Stadium? Do you think Fikri Ntwari will haunt his parent club? Or will Chiefs march to comfortable victory? Drop your thoughts below. I reply as many comments as possible. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to Mzansi Total Football, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our match reactions and analysis. Until next time, stay safe, enjoy the return of Mzansi Football, and please click on the playlist to watch more of my content. Thank you guys for tuning in.